Hello moms, today we will learn symphonics. It's very necessary for kids. Symphonics means alphabet sound. Now I will say the letter and you repeat the sound with me. So let's do. Okay, the first letter is A and sound eh, eh, eh. Ants come crawling on the apple. Ants come crawling on the apple. Eh, eh. Next letter B. Sound b, b, b.
Bubbles.
Baby Bobby brush the bubbles. Baby Bobby brush the bubbles. B, b, b. Letter C. Sound k,
Camera.
click the picture, click the picture, click the picture with the camera. Next letter D and sound D, D, D.
Dolphin.
Dolphin does dance as Danny plays. Dolphin dance as Danny plays. His drum. D, D, D. And next letter E and sound eh, eh, eh.
Elbow.
Elena hurts her elbow. Elena hurts her elbow and calls eh, eh, eh. And next letter F. Sound f, f, f.
Fan.
Further switches on the fans. Further switches on the fans. The feather begins to fly. Next letter G. Sound g, g, g.
Grabs.
Good gobbles up the grabs. Good gobbles up the grabs. G, g, g. The sound, next letter H. Sound h, h, h.
Horse.
Harry gets tired. Harry gets tired. He pants and sweats like a horse. Ha, ha, ha. Next letter I. Sound E, E, E.
Ink.
Ink splashes on my nose. Ink splashes on my nose. E, E, E. Next letter J. Sound J, J, J.
Joker.
Jack have lots of fun. Jack have lots of fun. As the Joker jungle. J, J, J. Next letter K. And sound K, K, K.
Kangaroo.
Friends C and K both are friends. They are having same sound. Okay. Kangaroo reads a cookbook. Kangaroo reads a cookbook to cook good food. K, k, k. Next letter L. Sound L, L, L.
Lamb.
Lucky picks the lamp. Lucky picks the lamps. Next letter M. Sound mix both the lips together and say
Melon.
melon and mangoes fill my tum. Melon and mangoes fill my tum. Eating they are yum. Next letter N and sound is Nanny wears a beautiful necklace.
Necklace.
Next letter O and sound o, o.
Orange.
Oh hum, it's an orange. Oh hum, it's an orange. Orange makes us healthy. Orange makes us healthy. Oh, oh, oh. Next letter P and sound f, f, f.
Popcorn. I want popcorn. I want popcorn. Do you too?
letter Q and sound Qu, Qu, Qu.
Queen.
Queens find a quill. Queen finds a quill. It's a magical queen. It's a magical queen. Qu, Qu, Qu. And next letter R and sound is
Rocket.
What's that zooming out? What's that zooming out of the rainbow? Oh, that is a rocket. And next letter S and sound
Slide.
Simmy Smiley on the slide, Simmy Smiley on the slide. And next letter T and it sound
Tent.
Tina playing in the tent, Tina playing in the tent. T. And next letter U and it sound
Umbrella.
Uncle grabs the pot, Uncle grabs the pot, Uncle grabs the pot and umbrella up, 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 up. And next letter V and it sound wo, wo, wo.
Violin.
Veer likes to play the violin, Veer likes to play the violin, wo, wo, wo. And next letter W and it sound wo, wo, wo.
Wings.
Wizard has wings, Wizard has wings, Wizard fly in the sky, wow, wow, wow. And next letter X and sound
Xylophone.
Ria loves to play, Ria loves to play xylophone, yes. Listen carefully, children. And next letter Y and sound yo, yo, yo.
Yarn.
Nanny makes a sweater, Nanny makes a sweater for you. Yo, yo, yo. And next letter last Z sound z, z, z.
Zebra.
The forest has many happy animals. The forest has many happy animals, but the zebra is sad. Z, z, z. So friends, I hope you like my video. Then you like my video, so like and subscribe. Okay, thanks for watching my video.